Hello, hello, hello. I am Nikki Ruffin, and I am back to explain to everyone about my new program, book Boots to Books. I always stumble when I say that. Boots to Books, and also Naya's Project. Now, Boots to Books is a new, very new program that I've started. And again, that I talked about yesterday. I talked about yesterday on the video on yesterday that I am a retired Army veteran, and when I came out of the military, I wanted to be a teacher. I always wanted to be a teacher, but I really did, and I wasn't certified. I did have my degree, my bachelor's and my master's, which you don't need to have a master degree, until unless you want a pay increase. But you can become a teacher with a bachelor. Okay. So, but I had my master's. However, I wasn't certified. So if you're not certified and you have your master of whatever you have it in, you will still be paid under those who are certified. You still would be paid under, and your years that you work uncertified will not count towards your retirement. So it's in your best interest to get certified, especially if you plan on staying in the school system for a while, for a long time, or what have you. And there's so much that I want to tell you guys and tell you about it, and the things that you need to know and the things you don't need to know, at this point, at the beginning of your venture. Some things you don't have to really stress so much about. In my program, I will explain the avenue that I came to become a teacher. I went through Nashville Teachers Residency Program. And it's like an accelerated course type of thing. It was great. It was awesome. It was awesome. And I'll explain that in further detail in the program. I'll explain some of the things that we had to do. I'll also share a lot of the information that I gathered, including templates of different things, and because I'm not real certain at this moment because I heard that it would be done with after a while, but the EdTPA is the part 2 of your teacher's certification, because you do your praxis and you have to do an EdTPA. I call that the dissertation phase of everything, because taking the test is, you go to the little testing center or wherever, or at home or whatever, and you take that test, and you think it's over, but it's not over. You got a dissertation phase. And that thing right there is something else. But I got through it, and you could get through it too. So we will be talking about all those things. But I would like to, for my military personnel, I would like to tap into some of the resources that we have available to us. Also, African American veterans, women especially, because I'm a woman and I want to talk about that. African American woman, this is a resource that I want to be your guide to everything that I've used, or I heard someone else use, and I'm going to bring in people to explain some of these things that they have used. Some of the veteran teachers who've been around for a long time, even some who are civilians, all the life. It can be helpful to everybody. Whichever way you decide that you want to go, it can be helpful. So you can find more about my programs. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. But you can join my Facebook group, Boots to Books. I said it right. Boots to Books. And that's my Facebook book group. It's a private group. Do I have it private right now? I'm not sure. I think I'm going to privatize it later, but I got it public right now. And you guys can join the group. Right now we're small, but we're growing, and we're going to grow. We really are. I feel it. I know this is a divine calling from God for me to give back. And also, for you guys to support me as well. I appreciate that, because I'm going to give you some valuable information. With my programs, the breakdown will be in my blog, which is attached to in the description box, and it's a breakdown of everything that I'm offering. So, what are you waiting for? I know that I'm not the only one that's still loving this career field, and I know that I'm not the only one who wants to do this or wants to do this. So all you have to do is just take a leap of faith. You can do it. You can do it, no matter how old you are or how young you are. You can do it. Okay? Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I guess I covered everything. See you tomorrow.